I'm Shaun from Crusader. I just wanted to talk to you about this Carlex Edition Ford Transit Custom that we've got in stock at the moment, and just take you through what we've done to the vehicle from start to finish. So this started out life as a Transit Custom limited specification in chrome blue. That's how it came out the factory. We've gone right over the vehicle inside and out, and we have re-sprayed the vehicle entirely in this bright solid blue. And then we've colour coded some of the accents on the vehicle in line with the solid blue that we've done. That is to reflect what Carlex put on their brand new vans. So starting with the paint colour, this is a one of a kind paint job on a Carlex. There is no other in the UK that's this colour. We've got our CD Carlex Design logo that's been put in place of the Ford badge on there. This is a whole new grille setup to allow for this logo to be put on there. We've got really nice contrast between the standard plastic that comes out the factory, so this bit here and the grille, and we've got these fog light surrounds here that are still originals. However, we've got a nice metallic black surround here in contrast to the bright blue. We've got a nice metallic black lower splitter here, which works really nicely with this solid blue paint. Next, I'm going to take you onto the side of the vehicle, and we can talk about what's been upgraded down the side. So at the front end of the vehicle, you can see we've got 1, 2, 3-piece wheel extension, wheel arch extension there. Team that up with these brand new Michelin 235/55 R18s. We've got a nice 5-spoke Carlex Design alloy wheel there. We've got our Carlex Design logo, and then we've got engraved around the centre cap Carlex Design, and then engraved on the alloy itself we've got Carlex as well. Really nice set of alloys, lots of rubber between the alloy and the road as well, so it makes for a nice smooth ride. Continuing the contrasting theme, we've got resprayed mirror covers there in that nice bright blue. Really works well with the dark alloys and the dark plastics here and the dark trim around the windows. We've upgraded the lock here to a Locks for Vans rep lock to increase the security on the vehicle. We'll take you through the inside later on because we've completely retrimmed that. But down the side we've got these lovely Carlex Design side skirts, and that will lead us into the rear wheel arch, which I'll show you in a minute. So the rear of the vehicle, we've got our nice Carlex Design vinyl there, big sweeping wheel arch extension leading onto the back of the vehicle, gives a really nice side line. So at the back we'll sort of talk you through in a minute, but we've got at the top here spoiler, we've got a nice bespoke exhaust at the bottom. Next bit will be the rear of the vehicle. I'll fire up the exhaust so that you can give it a listen as well, because we've done something pretty special to that. So starting at the top of the rear of the vehicle, we've got Carlex Design rear spoiler. Towards the lower end we've got Carlex Design rear lower valance with these nice steel exhaust tips on there. And if you can hear that, you'll probably be wondering why it doesn't sound like a commercial diesel engine. That's because it's been fitted with a sound enhancer at the back. You can choose from an array of sounds up to, I think it's an F12 fighter jet if you really want your van to sound like that. We've got the V8 installed at the moment on there, but it's simple. Download an app for your phone and you can choose what noise you want the van to make. Rear of the vehicle, we've got LED downlighters to illuminate the load area, which has been freshly ply lined. Full steel bulkhead with a load through hatch allows you to put a 3-metre length through the load area and underneath the passenger seat. Inside the vehicle we've retrimmed the cloth seats with the Carlex Design branded suede and leather mixed interior. So we've got a leather headrest here, we've got some high gloss cutouts here that give you a lovely wingback style driver's seat. We've got Carlex Design logo in the headrests. Running down the centre, you've got a nice leather strip, again branded with the Carlex Design logo. You've got lovely suede, really fine suede to the touch through the centre of the seat, and then through these outer panels here, slightly more hard wearing leather. Same for the passenger side, got a lovely tag here and here, again with the Carlex Design logo. Piped in grey throughout the middle there, and you've got two cup holders there, folds back in, lovely suede section down the middle. So your main control panel here is in the centre of the dashboard. We've got Ford Sync 3 system here. That's your digital radio, links to your phone. It's got an app connect screen on there, so you can put the maps from your phone, your music apps, run them through this screen here. We've got the controls for the aircon and the heated seats, which do work with the reupholstery that we've done, and obviously you've got your steering wheel controls over here. So you like what you've seen here on our Transit Custom Carlex Design. You'd like a brand new version of the same thing. The good news is that this kit fits on every derivative of Transit Custom Limited. Even if you'd like us to convert an existing van, that's something we can talk about. Give us a call or visit our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.